What's up?
Let me see. That was at
No, can you hear me?
7:30.
Hello?
8:30
Can you hear
New
me?
York time. Yeah.
Stupid thing. Can you hear me?
All right. There we go. Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like it did anything. But I think they're waiting. You're gonna wait.
Trump. That's right, because of the Trump speech.
Possibly, yeah. Wonder what the news was though. Was it good or bad for her? It was. Oh no, it was bad.
Mm.
Yep. It is set an alarm for 10:55.
Right.
Started in the red, now I'm chasing green. Day by
There we go. Starting.
living the dream. Charts don't lie, they show the truth. Futures market made me bulletproof. They called it a gamble, they said I'd fall, but I saw my future through a glowing wall. Candles burn bright, the patterns speak. Every tick is a chance to climb's not weak. Late nights grinding, no time to lose. Betting on myself, I'm paying my dues. The brokers laughed, the odds were steep, but now I'm trading while they're fast asleep. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins. Oh, I watched the ticks rise, I felt the pain, but I kept my cool through loss and gain. Risk defined, I played it smart. Each move I make is a work of art. No crystal ball, just logic and skill. I'm bending the market to match my will. The screen's my canvas, the trend's my muse. I'm the future in motion, I never lose. Every line's a lesson, every chart's a clue.
Bitcoin is
I know what to do.
flipping around on us again. How is this getting pumped so hard? So fast. Just went from 102 to 103 just like that. Oh, shit.
King wins. I've felt the fear, I've seen the storm, but pressure's the fire where diamonds are born. The charts keep moving, the ticks don't rest. In the game of futures, I'm passing the test. Win or lose, I keep my stride. The market's my battleground, I'm alive. Every contract signed, every profit gained. It's all about the hustle, no life for
What up, Taz? Morning, TJ.
I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom. My story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins. I started with nothing, just a vision and grit. Now I run the market, I never quit. From rags to riches, I've earned my throne in the world.
The morning light leaks in, flickering across my screen. I sit poised and ready, daring fate to intervene. Futures dancing in my vision, crude grains and the S&P. I'm whispering to the market, show your hand to me. From patterns etched in data, I draw my line in the sand. I hunt the spark of movement, the signal I understand. When price bars break their chains, unleashing hidden might, I'm there to seize that moment, to claim the golden light. I'm the breakout hunter, forging trades with iron nerve. In the surge and chaos, I find the rhythm I deserve. A member of the Hunters Club, I stand beside my peers. We ride the waves of markets, turning risk into cheers. No room for faint of heart, no shelter from the storm. This battlefield of candles never fails to transform. Volatility's a language I learn it line by line, seeking that sweet release from ranges that confine. Stop loss at the ready, I protect the ground I've gained. I'll never chase a phantom, each move is preordained. My crew, the Hunters Club, knows how the story goes. We watch for shifting currents, where hidden profit flows. I'm the breakout
I
hunter.
feel like this is just coming out of fucking nowhere.
With charts and conviction, I carve my chosen way. Among the Hunters Club, I find that special bond. We move as one through markets far and yet beyond. In the hush before the rush, I feel the tension grow. I've studied all the patterns, the places price may go. And when the line is severed, the trade set free to soar. I strike with swift precision, then wait and watch for more. I'm the breakout hunter, my legacy unfolds. Through lightning trades and cunning, I mine the market's gold. Within the Hunters Club, the chase, the purest thrill. Searching for that break again, empowered by my skill. As trading hours fade away, I tally up my scars. A student of the scoreboard, guided by the stars. Tomorrow's futures beckon, I'll stand where profits flow. The breakout hunter returns, ever hungry to...
Looks like a bear flag like hell. Oh, thank you. And Bitcoin is just shoving the fuck up out of nowhere. No idea, Jericho. Whatever the market gives us. And Trump's speaking at 11, so I don't know if market's even going to do anything until then. I would just automatically assume it's not going to, but then look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just slingshotting up for no reason whatsoever. Like, you go back like 18 fucking weeks, and every week this works, and then this week it's just like just wrecking. Why is that always the case? Start doing something and it just doesn't fucking work when you start it. We will see.
Early dawn screen lights the room, fingers on the keys. Analyzing charts and patterns, searching for guarantees. I'm chasing candles, red or green, they dance before my eyes. A profit line on the horizon, I'm learning how to rise. Whispers in my head, keep faith, stay strong, don't fold. There's treasure in the trends, I'm digging deep for gold. I fight the doubt inside me, push fear to the side. One trade at a time, I'm ready for the ride. I'm breaking out to freedom, catching lightning on the screen, turning risk into
Our range here in about 3 minutes.
on these digital frontiers. I'll come
Bitcoin is respecting the midline on the week here.
tomorrow, leaving my shadows in the past. The market's pulse is racing, seconds define my fate. In data and in discipline, I find my soul's escape. I've seen the losses teach me more than wins could ever say. The path to independence, I walk it trade by trade.
Smoking that vape.
Lines of code and candle wicks.
Looks like gold is about to. The gold is doing some moving here.
My mind's a compass
Let's see.
steady. Staying calm is my new norm. No panic when the waves crash. I surf them with a grin. I'm sculpting my own legacy from the chaos deep within. I'm breaking out to freedom, riding winds of change, turning shots into chapters as my life rearranged on these digital.
Hasn't broke out yet, but it is doing its thing.
I'm day trading for my future, blazing free from every chain.
It did break from the 5 minute. So let's see if we get a rejection of 5 minutes. Range here.
I stand above the noise, no stranger to
And ES is breaking out up.
patience, skill, and vision.
And Bitcoin is straight the fuck back up again. This is awesome.
This journey's made
Love it.
my breaking out is blessed. I'm breaking out to freedom, my guiding star. From struggle into triumph, I know just who I am. On these digital frontiers, I'll shine through every test. I'm day trading into success. Forever onward I invest.
This is what it did yesterday, though. It just shot straight up and then right back down.
Started with nothing, just a dream in my hand. Charts and candles, I took a stand.
Yes, it's pushing. Dow is pushing. Oil. About to retrace.
Wake up at dawn, no sleep in my eyes. Wrinkle block stacking, I'm chasing the highs. They said it's a gamble, they said I'd lose, but I studied the lines and paid my dues. PL swinging, it's a battle each day, but I'm locked in the zone, let the music play. From margin calls to momentum streaks, now my account's talking, yeah, it speaks. From rags to riches, I'm breaking the chains, turning losses to lessons, riding through the pain. Scalping the noise, I'm riding my fate. One trade at a time, I'm building the gate. From rags to riches, the future's so clear. Dollar signs singing as the profits appear. Hunter of breakouts, the market's my stage. I'm the king of this game, unleashing the rage. FOMO whispers, but I hold my ground. Discipline sharp, I don't mess around. Volume spikes, I'm ahead of the trend. The market's my ally, my loss is my friend. Screens glowing like the Vegas lights, but this ain't luck, it's earned through nights. Countless hours, the grind is raw. Every tick closer to the life I saw. Blood, sweat, charts, it's the trader's creed. Patience and timing, that's all I need. No shortcuts here, I'm playing it smart. The futures I trade reflect my heart. From rags to riches, I'm breaking the chains, turning losses to lessons, riding through the pain. Scalping the noise, I'm riding my fate. One trade at a time, I'm building the gate. From rags to riches, the future's so clear. Dollar signs sing.
Pre-market trades today were good, guys. I don't think I'm gonna get up at 3 anymore. I think I'm just gonna start at like 5 because it doesn't, moves don't happen until then. Right? When did this gold actually finally do it?
Yeah, it was later. Yeah,
It was 650 is when gold did its bounce back out of London's range. But we did make some monies. Man, Bitcoin is like really pissing me the fuck off.
Trading my passion, my purpose is clear. The Hunters Club rises, our anthem ignites. We're breaking the market, we own the nights.
It's literally gone to 102 to 106, like just in 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
I've worked his hands out in the sun, chasing the clock till the day is done. Sweat on my brow, dirt on my face, but I knew deep down I needed a change of pace. Trading hours for dollars, it wasn't enough. Life was a grind and the work was tough, but I found a way, learn the market's flow. With every candle my future starts to grow. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building a life that'll stand the test of time. No more just
Dude, dumped.
I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've
Go
gained.
pivot. That's rejecting it.
I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong. A legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I've learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building the life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working to get by, I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained, so they can rise above the fray. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key. Trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building the path, a life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I'll learn the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. Whistle blows, shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind.
We're range bound right now.
No more just working till the sun goes down. I'm paving the road, I'm turning around. From hands in the dirt to hands on the screen, building a life where we live the dream. I'm the breakout hunter, yeah, I play the game. Chasing the charts while others stay the same. I make my own rules, I build my own way.
And QQQ is
Crafting strategies, my mind's a machine.
getting
Indicators
support on a pivot right now.
from Rango to V, drop on my systems aligned. High probability.
Did get into yesterday's gap a little.
I don't follow the crowd,
Here's a big
ride
gap.
the wave. Turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat,
Bearish divergences on Bitcoin right now, and it's way overbought.
sharpen my blade. Thousands of hours, now the future's laid. I see the
Drop back down, motherfucker.
with every tick of the clock, my target's clear. Through futures and volume, I navigate fast. I know the game, and I'm built to last. Others may follow, but I'm in the lead. A hunter by nature, success guaranteed. I don't follow the crowd.
I've made it a rule of mine that I'm just gonna ignore anything that anybody says about meme coins and chats,
That's my chance to dance.
because it's a rug pull.
Fear in my eyes, I soar with the eagles, aiming for
Oh my god.
charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the
It's
world
fucking gambling.
I never bend. I'm the
I don't even like
They
going to
ask a lot about the meme coins, don't they?
yeah, I don't even like going to casinos. Like, not a gambler.
before the storm.
Been to like 2 casinos, and I won one time.
No second guess.
And it was luck. It was super luck.
Only progress.
Slot machine.
I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I
Like, no skill, no nothing. Just like luck. Pure luck.
charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge
It's like meme coins have replaced Ponzi schemes. They've replaced like the pyramid multi-level marketing schemes and shit like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's what meme coins are. They're the replacement for Ponzi schemes. And since it's an investment type thing, it's like nobody's going to jail for doing it.
my instincts reborn. Every move calculated. calculated, no
That's weird.
second guess. I'm the hunter of trends, I only progress. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles aiming for the sky.
Come on, Bitcoiny, Bitcoin.
Compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. Waking up with hunger before the break of light. The charts are calling softly, their whispers through the night. Numbers lined like constellations on the screen I scan. From breakouts into freedom, this is where I'll stand. I've seen the losses paint their lessons on my mind. I felt the fear of failing, still I press rewind. There's gold in these moments, hidden between the lines. My heart beats with the tickers.
I wonder if they're gonna do anything before he speaks.
I'm day trading dreams into profits, turning doubts into gains, breaking out of these shadows and forging stronger chains. Where each candle's a stepping stone, I'm learning to believe. I'm day trading horizons and I'm ready to achieve. The markets rise and plummet, the tension's in the air. I'll keep my eyes wide open, breathing in the dare. No safety net behind me, but a vision in my soul. Each risk becomes a lesson that helps me reach my goal. Hand steady on the keyboard, reading every sign. Patience like a virtue that stands the test of time. As trends unwind their secrets, I'm rewriting fate. My future's in the entries and exits that I create. I'm day trading dreams into profits, forging out my own way, finding freedom in the flow of each unpredictable day. The charts are my compass, leading where I must go. I'm day trading for success, fueled by all I know. And if the market trembles, if the world begins to shake, I'll stand firm on my strategy, with nothing left to break. Because I've traded fear for confidence, swapped worry out for pride. I'm charting new horizons and success is by my side. I'm day trading dreams into profits, my spirit never still. Breaking out from old mindsets, climbing each daunting hill. When the closing bell rings echoes, I'll smile and recollect. I'm day trading into freedom, with no room for regret. Before the dawn breaks open, I'm glued to that screen. Tickers flashing, neon dreams in shades of red and green. My heart's in lockstep with the market's rise and fall. I've got orders standing by, waiting for the call. The charts are whispering patterns only I can discern. Candlesticks tell a story of profit and return. Or will this contract take me higher? Will the bulls charge ahead? Or will I bail too late when the bears strike with dread? I'm day trading the futures, surfing waves on the line, riding margins of moments.
Everything's pretty flat.
With every tick of the clock, I'm leaning in for the score. Yeah, I'm chasing that lightning strike. hungry for more.
You're like that guy that was running around telling everybody to buy the Melania coin, whatever. I look, it fell even more. That's a rug pull from hell.
Terminal, daring fate to agree. A scalper's heart beating fast, 2 eyes fixed on the prize. Breathing in adrenaline, my focus never dies. I'm searching through liquidity, looking for a break, building up positions that the timid won't take. Stop loss at the ready, I've got my guard in place, because in this battlefield you never know what you'll face. I'm day trading the futures, dancing on a wire, hedging faith against fear, fueled by
If you blow your account on MT5, do you owe money? MT5 is just a platform. So if you blow your money on a broker, no, not really. You lose all your money. You blow your money on if you blow a prop firm account, then no.
the price I'll pay. Win or lose,
MT5 is a platform. So it's like trading view. This is trading view I'm looking at. Like, I don't understand the question.
feeling each ebb and flow. I'll ride the waves of volatility wherever they go. Through the chaos and the calm, I'm forging my way, making faith from the patterns on my screen today. The clock may close the session, but the story never ends. In this world of futures trading, I find both foes and friends. I'll be back before the dawn, full of spirit and
Wake up to the morning sun, dreams in your eyes, stuck in the same old routine, reaching for the skies. Bills keep piling up, life's a daily grind, but there's a spark inside you, a path you're meant to find.
Look at that.
Searching for a sign, then you stumble on a channel where your stars align. Breakout hunter shows the way, step into the light today. Learn to trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you, join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side, together we will rise. Sharpening graphs and strategies, lessons every day. From the basics to the breakthroughs, guiding every way. Confidence is growing, risks you learn to take. Building up your future, every move you make. No more chains to hold you back. Unlock the doors you lack. Breakout Hunter shows the way. Step into the light today. Learn to trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you, join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side, together we will rise. Imagine all the lives we change, empowered minds within our range, sharing wisdom, spreading light, turning darkness into bright. Breakout Hunter shows the way, step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you, join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side,
protector by your side.
For some reason, I had my Renko box all fucked up.
What'd you have it at?
5.5.
Huh. Ain't that bad. I like 5.
I didn't mind it, but I noticed lately it's like the Renkos just weren't how I liked them, and then I just looked and I was completely wrong. I like Runnermon too,
I'm
especially
at
for
1.5
NQ.
right now.
We're scalping the markets, swift and keen, riding the waves of the unseen, hunting with the breakout hunter we align, chasing shadows.
QQQ is starting to go full on bearish.
And picks the heartbeats race. Every move a calculated pace. Whispers of a trend ignite. We dive into the fading light. We're scalping the markets, seizing the day. Eyes shut, we navigate the free.
We're on a bear flag.
Hunter by our side. In the ebb and flow we confide.
Yeah, I'm short. I'm going short.
Signals flash the moment.
Why is this on a paper trading account? This fucking motherfucker.
In the chaos we see clear. Risk and reward the endless dance.
Oh god, my stop loss almost got
Fortune favors
get
those who
some
chance.
room to trade this. Oh,
Daring and bold. Stories
this is fucking just shit.
hunting with the breakout hunter's flair. We find our fortune in the open air.
When am I gonna start listening to myself and say that they're not gonna do anything until he speaks? Why am I in this trade right now? Like, I knew that this was gonna happen. I knew they were gonna pull this shit. I fucking knew it. I said it. Came into the fucking session saying it, and here I am trying to short at the bottom of the range that I know they're gonna fucking flip back up. Bitcoin is crashing like I thought it was going to. This was all just pure manipulation. Get people to buy. Why did I short this? I knew they were gonna do this. I even.
Yeah. Empowerment anthem for creators. I'm the breakout hunter, paving my own way, building up my strategies of games to play. I study the charts, I write the code. With every trade I take, I lighten the load. Indicators flash, I'm ahead of the curve. Helping others rise, that's the passion I serve. Financial freedom, it's not just a dream. I'm showing you the ropes, you're part of my team. Learn the rules, break the mold. Together.
God damn it, dude.
Trust the process, trust your.
Well, I just hit the daily limit on my account, so there's that.
I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail, now take my hand. Let's make our mark across this land. I'm the breakout hunter, guiding your way to live on your terms every single day.
So I just wasted my whole night since 3 a.m. and now I'm here trading US Open again, getting my ass handed to me again.
Yeah.
I'm spinning wheels. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not trading US Open anymore until the market closes down. If you guys want to come and trade at 6 in the morning, be my guest. But I'm done doing this. I'm done. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to me. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to you. It's not.
Right. Yeah, that London, we had some nice, we had several nice trades. So, and this thing is like watching paint dry when it's just doing this and just not.
This is all it's done every day for 2 fucking weeks.
Mm-hmm.
It's not worth it. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I
And
will
with
not
London,
be on
it
at
was
9:30
options.
and anymore until
Yeah.
I see at least 2 weeks of clean orb breaks. If I don't see that, I'm not doing
Right.
it anymore. You guys want to trade with me? Come on at 6. I'm trading London's.
Yeah, come on, because it's awesome, man. Like we had several options, right? Like the gold and the NQ, and I mean they were all doing their thing and moving. It was nice. It really was.
Everybody's like, US Open is the best time to trade. US session, US. No, it's fucking not. It's not. Do you know why trends trend? Because of low volume. There's nobody to stop it.
Gotcha. Yeah.
This is fucking
That makes
ridiculous.
sense.
And then it's gonna break out down in 3 hours. Watch. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
start.
but like you say, they're not doing anything until Trump talks anyway. And that's gonna spiral out of control either way. Because that's what happened when he talked about the tariffs.
Yep.
It's gonna go crazy either way.
You're not gonna be able to trade it. It's gonna be. It's not.
And then that slippage, you can have all the stop loss you want. That slippage is gonna
No, I got
because it's moving
fucking.
so fast.
I got wrecked on it the other day.
Yep,
It slipped like fucking
it moved too fast.
40 or
There
60
wasn't nothing
points.
to do about it. Mm-hmm. Yep.
I don't know. I'm gonna start trading US after. I don't know. At 11.
Yeah. Let them get that out of their system first because it's gonna be a madhouse. Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this on the screener, and Highly suggest you don't do a fucking thing until one of these leaves one of these zones, and then wait until after the craziness after Trump zones. And if you trade before, then you're just gonna end up $1,000 in drawdown like I just did. And now I gotta swap accounts. I just hit my daily limit on all those.
I wake up early, eyes on the screen, trading the charts, living the dream. I know the game, I felt the heat, wins and losses, but I don't retreat. Every tick is a battle, every trade a fight. I slay the markets from morning to night. Losses come, but I hold my ground. Learning the lessons, I turn it around. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins and losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I've seen red days, I've seen the dips, but I don't flinch, I don't lose grip. I study the moves, I master the flow. Even on down days, I know how to grow. Catching breakouts, reading the signs. No one controls me, the game is mine. I'm in the zone, I stick to my play. A warrior in the market, making my way. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. Losses are lessons, they make me strong. Each one's a step towards where I belong. I keep on grinding, I stay in the fight. With every new dawn, I'm ready to strike. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I keep on moving, no fear in my heart.
And Bitcoin is going crazy wild.
In the shadows of the city where the lights don't shine,
Right.
little hearts are dreaming, reaching for the sky. Mama,
Yeah, Chubby, that's my fucking that's my self-imposed daily loss limit.
whispers in the alleyways, stories left untold.
I don't blow accounts.
The fire starts to
Just
unfold.
change to different ones if I hit it. Instead of blowing it. Shit happens, whatever. I'm not doing shit until it leaves the screener. My things leave zones. Just not doing anything. Bitcoin is I'm swing trading Bitcoin, so it's gonna do whatever it's gonna do.
Voice so clear and bright, breakout hunter showed them how to
There's Bitcoin right here.
watched every lesson, soaked up every word. In the world of trading, their freedom was stirred. Dreams once locked in silence, now they loudly sing, building bridges to tomorrow.
And I'm serious, man. I might not trade US session for the next month. It's not fucking worth it anymore, dude. Like, it's wild as fuck. It's just stupid. It's just sit here in range bounds for 2, 3, or 4 hours, and then it decides to go into a trend or break or whatever, and it's just constant grabs, tops and bottoms, and does nothing. Like Euro session London from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. is badass. Period. US session is a fucking joke. Like, especially right now. It's garbage as fuck, dude. Look at this is the opening range right here. Like, it's not doing anything. And yesterday, let's look at yesterday's opening range. Here you go. We broke up to the upside and then immediately turned around and came all the way the fuck back down. Awesome. Here we go. The day before, broke to the bottom and then it broke up and went all the way back up and then started trending up. So when did it start trending? At 3:44 p.m. When the prop firms don't let you trade anymore, it started fucking trending finally. Let's look at the previous day before that. Oh, look at this crazy shit. It didn't break until 7:38 in the afternoon. Yeah. US session. Woohoo. Here we go. It never left the range. Woohoo. This one finally broke the range at 3:10 p.m. on Thursday the 16th. This one actually went on Wednesday the 15th. Oh my god. We finally had a fucking range break out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 days. Not doing it anymore. I don't care. It's not worth it. Like, I fucking make money in the evening and then I give it back during US. It's been going on for fucking 6 days now. I'm sick of it. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Until I see 2 weeks of consistent breaks, I'm not trading US session anymore.
With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path for your financial freedom, no looking back. I've built the strategies brick by brick. Now I teach you how to make it click. From candlesticks to trends, from pullbacks to breaks. Won't ride the waves, no more mistakes. Step in the zone where knowledge flows. With every lesson learned, your confidence grows. No more guessing, no more fear. I'm right beside you, the way is clear. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I've walked the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path for your financial freedom, no looking back. You hold the power, you got the tools, breaking out of the system, rewriting the rules. No limits, no chains, no clock to wind. We're building a life one trade at a time. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path for your financial freedom, no looking back. We're breaking the chains, we're building our faith. The breakout's here now, elevate. You've got the vision, you've got the drive. Let's step in the market, let's come alive. Wake up at dawn, I'm ready to play. Charts are alive, it's another trade day. Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for the breakout. You know what I mean? I spent my time, I paid my dues. Now I catch those moves, no time to lose. I'm the breakout hunter, in the zone, finding those profits, taking them home. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run, catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. I'm in control, I'm the master. Price action's my game, I don't miss. Breakout solid, feel that bliss. I'm the breakout hunter, on the rise, stacking those wins, no compromise. High volume spikes, prices on the go. Levels are breaking, I'm in the flow. Support and resistance, I play it right. Breakouts coming, this is my fight. I ride the trend, no fear, no doubt. Know when to enter.
Guys,
From the futures to stocks, I'm locked in tight. When I catch a breakout, it's pure delight. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run.
Yeah.
look at this shit, dude.
Dude, I know.
I can't do anymore, man. It's gonna fucking like give me a heart attack or something.
It's whack.
I'm just trading 6 to 8.
Trades begun.
I mean, I'll still be looking at US session if one of these breaks out of the range, but
Breakout hunter, watch me run. Catching those
it's wacky whack.
trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster.
Look at this gold move right here. 7 a.m. down. That's the setup that I look for. But we already made all the money we wanted, so we stopped trading. I didn't take the little trade.
It's another trade day. Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for the breakout. You know what I mean?
And then which one was it? Crude?
Yeah, oil. Did
Oil?
good. I was waiting for
Yeah,
crude
so-
oil.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, dude. And I changed screens to go look at something else. And it just took the fuck off. And we missed it. And it just never stopped. Just up and up and up and up.
But that was the thing. We had options because we did well on NQ. We had options. Gold did good. Oil did good. Like,
Yeah. US sessions, you got to think about what's going on. You got all these big banks and all these big fucking financial, like, huge fucking companies fighting each other right now. For orders and positions and
Chaos, I find the rhythm I deserve. A member of the Hunters Club.
there's 3 touches right there.
Beside my peers, we ride the waves
And
of
then with news, oh, I almost fuck this stupid shit. I'm done with it.
No room for faint of heart, no shelter from the storm.
Done with this stupid shit.
Field of candles never
It's
fail.
not worth it. It's not worth it for anybody. It's like you get faked out constantly.
mm-hmm.
Seeking that sweet release from ranges
That's why all the people, like, if you look at all the people that I know that do really well in trading, all trade, they all live in, like, not in US time zone. Look at David. He lives in Hawaii. He trades Europe. He kills it. Because there's not as many big fish out there to go, oh, hey, I'm sorry. You wanted to go break the range? No, not today. Look at this junk.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Look at the 15-minute candles. Look at this. And these right here are just designed to get people to start selling the break. And they're buying it right back up. Look how many times they did it. They did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Since US Open has started, that's all that's happened is false breakouts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck US time zone. Done with it. Nah. 6 to 8. I'm done. Maybe 5 to 8 in case the retracement happens before 6. That's it. 5 to 8.
The places price may go. And when the line is severed, the trade set free to soar.
How many what is that? Who do we have? Is it Elite, the one that can swing? But I guess you don't have to
Elite
really
trader
swing on that.
funding.
Yeah. I guess you don't really have to swing on that because like I was telling you about the how I was looking back and how the Asian session coming into the London session, it's like if it starts up, that thing goes down. If it starts down, that thing goes. I've been going back and back and back and back.
Yeah.
Very few has it not done that. Very few. To where you at least get. Let me see, because there's a small London range. Let me see, because I'm just really trying to find some that I like to scalp, but I want to hold some positions too. I just want to be able to go with whatever the market is doing at that moment.
Oh, yeah.
Across the board, because this, yeah, like you say, this U.S. Open it's crazy. It's nerve-wracking. But hold on, let me see. This is a long. What's happening? Oh, I wonder. Yeah. And even on the small ranges, it looks like 43. 43. Definitely want to check that out. What is my...
on screen lights the room, fingers on the keys. Analyzing charts and patterns, searching for guarantees. I'm chasing candles, red or green, they dance before my eyes. A profit line on the horizon, I'm learning how to rise. Whispers in my head, keep faith, stay strong, don't fold. There's treasure in the trends, I'm digging deep for gold. I fight the doubt inside me, push fear to the side, one trade at a time. I'm ready for the ride. I'm breaking out to freedom, catching lightning on the screen, turning risk into reward, living out my dream. On these digital frontiers, I'll carve a place at last. I'm day trading my tomorrow, leaving my shadows in the past.
Thanks, spend over money. Wish this Bitcoin trade would turn back around and go down. Nice.
Seconds define my fate. In data and in discipline, I find my soul's escape. I've seen the losses teach me more than wins could ever say. The path to independence, I walk it trade by trade. Lines of code and candle wicks, they guide me through the storm. My mind's a compass steady, staying calm is my new norm. No panic when the waves crash, I surf them with a grin. I'm sculpting my own legacy from the chaos deep within. I'm breaking out to freedom, riding winds of change, turning shots into chapters as my life rearrange. On these digital frontiers, I'll stake my final claim. I'm day trading for my future, blazing free from every chain. The ticker sings a promise, the prophet calls my name. I stand above the noise, no stranger to the game. With patience, skill, and vision, I'll rise above the rest. This journey's made of courage, my breaking out is blessed. I'm breaking out to freedom, the screen's my guiding star. From struggle into triumph, I know just who I am. On these digital frontiers, I'll shine through every test. I'm day trading into success, forever onward I invest. I wake up early, eyes on the screen, trading the charts, living the dream. I know the game, I felt the heat, wins and losses, but I don't retreat. Every tick is a battle, every trade a fight. I slay the markets from morning to night. Losses come, but I hold my ground. Learning the lessons, I turn it around. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins and losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I've seen red days, I've seen the dips. but I don't flinch. I don't lose grip, I study the moves, I master the flow. Even on down days, I know how to grow.
Retarded.
Catching breakouts, reading the signs. No one controls me, the game is mine. I'm in the zone, I stick to my play. A warrior in the market, making my way. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I play the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. Losses are lessons, they make me strong. Each one's a step towards where I belong. I keep on grinding, I stay in the fight. With every new dawn, I'm ready to strike. I play the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I keep on moving, no fear in my heart. Each day's a new chance, a brand new start. I slay the markets, nothing hold me back. With every step forward, I stay on track.
Nothing going on yet. Just sitting here doing nothing.
Before the break of light, the charts are calling softly, their whispers through the night. Numbers lined like constellations on the screen I scan. From breakouts into freedom, this is where I'll stand. I've seen the losses paint their lessons on my mind. I felt the fear of failing, still I press rewind. There's gold in these moments, hidden.
You know, I must say, as much as I guess I don't know if it's NQ sometimes that stresses me out or the minis that stress me out. I don't even know. But I honestly I think it's starting to get a little bit better as far as because I told you I was doing minis today instead of micros.
Yeah.
Because micros get a little frustrating too because it's like I had 4 of them, but you're not seeing, I guess, when you do have a good move, you're not seeing the true, profit of your move. So then I was like, I'm going to try give the minis a go again,
Mhm.
But they were just freaking me out a little bit at one point. But I think I'm kind of getting okay with the minis again. Kind of getting okay with it.
Yeah. Drawdown gets everybody in a bind. Like right now, I'm like over here sweating on this Bitcoin freaking trade, but it is what it is, man. You're gonna go into drawdown. It happens. At least the
Right.
trend line is being respected, So
See what it's looking like.
and it's not leaving the weekly zone. It's just wicking it. So,
Hmm.
and this is getting squeezed.
I'm wondering if this is just the week of it ranging because it had just a few of those, huh? Just sprinkled in there.
Yep,
Not
it
too
happens
many,
every
but
now and
just a
then.
few. Yeah. Especially because of all this, political stuff too. I think I'm thinking it still puts a bias on people, as far as okay. But now also didn't they say that there was some coming up? I guess that the government owned. I think you were mentioning that, right? That the
What's that?
government owns the Bitcoin.
Oh, they got some billions that there's supposedly they just got the authority to sell, so
Hmm.
they're probably gonna end up crashing
Right.
Bitcoin.
On day trade.
Hmm.
I mean, just a couple. 6 billion ain't much, but it's still gonna do a dent if they do sell it all at once.
Right. Yeah.
But this is bull flagging, and this is getting people to buy. I don't trust it. I'm getting Here's our daily zone coming back up into this fucking weekly right here. Or is this daily or 480? This may be 480. It's 480. Let me turn on daily and see what it's showing.
Risk and reward.
Daily's not showing it going in there yet.
Wake up at dawn, no sleep in my eyes. Wrinkle block stacking, I'm chasing the highs. They said it's a gamble, they said I'd lose, but I studied the lines and paid.
Yeah, pump and dump.
PL swinging, it's a battle each day, but I'm locked in the zone, let the music play. From margin calls to momentum streaks, now my account's talking, yeah, it speaks. From rags to riches, I'm breaking the chains, turning losses to lessons, riding through the pain. Scalping the noise, I'm riding my fate. One trade at a time, I'm building the gate. From rags to riches, the future's so clear. Dollar signs singing as the profits appear. Hunter of breakouts, the market's my stage. I'm the king of this game, unleashing the rage. FOMO whispers, but I hold my ground. Discipline sharp, I don't mess around. Volume spikes, I'm ahead of the trend. The market's my ally, my loss is my friend. Screens glowing like the Vegas lights, but this ain't luck, it's earned through nights. Countless hours, the grind is raw. Every tick closer to the life I saw. Blood, sweat, charts, it's the trader's creed. Patience and timing, that's all I need. No shortcuts here, I'm playing it smart. The futures I trade reflect my heart. From rags to riches, I'm breaking the chains, turning losses to lessons, riding through the pain. Scalping the noise, I'm riding my fate. One trade at a time, I'm building the gate. From rags to riches, the future's so clear. Dollar signs singing as the profits appear. Hunter of breakouts, the market's my stage. I'm the king of this game, unleashing the rage. They doubted the vision, they laughed at the grind, but success isn't given, it's earned by design. Charting my story, block by block, in the future's market, I own the clock.
I wonder what this damn speech is about.
Trading my passion, my purpose is clear. The Hunters Club rises, our anthem ignites. Breaking the market, we own the night.
No telling. I mean, I know he signed all those executive orders. So I don't know if he's gonna talk about that or some other stuff going down the pipeline. Oh, or like I think they mentioned some company that's supposed to be investing. Who knows? Who
There's a lot
knows?
going on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
A lot going on.
I walk the tracks, my eyes on the prize. Mapping out moves, I rise and I strive. With every breakout, I sharpen my skill. I make my own way, climb every hill. I built the tools, the strategy's tight. And now I'm here to share the light. Teaching the trade, showing the flow. Helping you grow so you
I wonder if it's going to be on the White House's.
every trend is a clue. I walk the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path. For your financial freedom, no looking back. I've built the strategies brick by brick. Now I teach you how to make it click. From candlesticks to trends, from pullbacks to breaks. We'll ride the waves, no more mistakes. Step in the zone where knowledge flows. With every lesson learned, your confidence grows. No more guessing, no more fear. I'm right beside you, the way is clear. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I've walked the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade, we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path for your financial freedom, no looking back. You hold the power, you got the tools, breaking out of the system, rewriting the rules. No limits, no chains, no clock to wind. We're building a life one trade at a time. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade, we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path for your financial freedom, no looking back. We're breaking the chains, we're building our fate. The breakout's here now, elevate. You've got the vision, you've got the drive. Let's step in the market, let's come alive.
Freaking spammers. Spammers. Come on, Bitcoin. Stop fucking around and come back down. What are you doing? Stop it, Bitcoin.
Dreams in your eyes, stuck in the same old routine, reaching for the skies. Bills keep piling up, life's a daily grind, but there's a spark inside you, a path you're meant to find. Scroll through endless feeds, searching for a sign.
5 minutes to the speech that's causing the whole market to do nothing.
Strategies, lessons every day, from the basics to the breakthroughs, guiding every way. Confidence is growing, risks you learn to take, building up your future, every move you make. No more chains to hold you back, unlock the doors you lack. Breakout hunter shows the way, step into the light today. Learn to trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side, together we will rise. Imagine all the lives we change, empowered minds within our range, sharing wisdom, spreading light, turning darkness into bright. Breakout Hunter shows the way, step into the light today. Learn the trade, take control, reach new heights, free your soul. Financial freedom's calling you. Join the journey, start anew. With Breakout Hunter by your side, together we will rise. Together we will rise. Now you stand on solid ground, financial peace you found. Thank the journey, thank the God, with Breakout Hunter by your side. I'm the breakout hunter, yeah, I play the game, chasing the charts while others stay the same. I make my own rules, I build my own way, trading in the shadows, I never stray. Crafting strategies, my mind's a machine, indicators fine-tuned, precision and clean. From Rango to V-Up, all my systems aligned, high probability, I own this grind. I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave, turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance, every breakout's my chance to dance. I
I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies, with charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. 2 years in the making, I've sharpened my blade. Thousands of hours, now the future's laid. I see the setups before they appear. With every tick of the clock, my target's clear. Through futures and volume, I navigate fast. I know the game, and I'm built to last. Others may follow, but I'm in the lead. A hunter by nature, success guaranteed. I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave. Turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. In the moments of silence before the storm, I'm ready to strike, my instincts reborn. Every move calculated, no second guess. I'm the hunter of trends, I only progress. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay. Moments of silence before the storm, I'm ready to strike, my instincts reborn. Every move calculated, no second guess. I'm the hunter of trends, I only progress. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles, aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world of the markets, I never bend. I'm the breakout hunter, blazing my way. In the heat of the trade, that's where I'll stay.
So he's speaking remotely at the World Economic Forum, and I'm pretty sure he's about to tell them to get fucked. Because he told the WHO to get fucked, and the UN to get fucked, and everybody else to get fucked, which I agree with him on it all. But, and he's, do you know he just wrote an executive order to all federal agencies to have a communications blackout? Do not update any websites, do not publish any scientific reports, do not give out any health advisories, do not do anything. Kind of crazy. Well, maybe I could look up like World Economic Forum and maybe it'll show it there. World Economic Forum is live right now.
Sunrise paints the city gold. Screens glow, bright stories unfold. Charts and graphs, a battlefield. Secrets that the numbers yield. We're scalping the markets.
Even the Pope is going to be. What is the Pope addressing the World Economic Forum? What the hell? Doesn't make no sense.
Chasing shadows, one trade at a time. Ticks and picks, the heartbeats race. Every move a calculated pace. Whispers of a trend ignite. We dive into the fading light. We're scalping the markets.
Just 4 days into your new mandate, we highly appreciate your presence with us today. We wish you all the best as you take on your critical work ahead. The global challenges we face today are monumental. The importance of American leadership and your personal leadership in this regard is fundamental and paramount. We are here to hear your vision and policies related to revitalizing the economy and addressing the global challenges. As you might expect, Mr. President, your return to office and your forthcoming policies have been at the focus of our discussions this week. The discussions among 3,000 political and business leaders from over 130 countries who came together here in Davos. We look forward to hearing first from you and then to the follow-up discussion with business leaders moderated by my colleague Børge Brende. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
Well, thank you very much, Klaus, and hello to everyone in beautiful Davos. This has been a truly historic week in the United States. 3 days ago, I took the oath of office and we began the golden age of America. The recent presidential election was won by millions of votes, and all seven, every one of them, all seven swing states. It was a massive mandate from the American people like hasn't been seen in many years, and some of the political pundits, even some of my so-called enemies, said it was the most consequential election victory in 129 years. That's quite nice. What the world has witnessed in the past 72 hours is nothing less than a revolution of common sense. Our country will soon be stronger, wealthier, and more united than ever before, and the entire planet will be more peaceful and prosperous as a result of this incredible momentum and what we're doing and going to do. My administration is acting with unprecedented speed to fix the disasters we've inherited from a totally inept group of people and to solve every single crisis facing our country. This begins with confronting the economic chaos caused by the failed policies of the last administration. Over the past 4 years, our government racked up $8 trillion in wasteful deficit spending and inflicted nation-wrecking energy restrictions, crippling regulations, and hidden taxes like never before. The result is the worst inflation crisis in modern history and sky-high interest rates for our citizens and even throughout the world. Food prices and the price of almost every other thing known to mankind went through the roof. President Biden totally lost control of what was going on in our country, but in particular with our high inflation economy and at our border. Because of these ruinous policies, total government spending this year is $1.5 trillion higher than was projected to occur when I left office just 4 years ago. Likewise, the cost of servicing the debt is more than 230% higher than was projected in 2020. The inflation rate we are inheriting remains 50% higher than the historic target. It was the highest inflation probably in the history of our country. That's why from the moment I took office, I've taken rapid action to reverse each and every one of these radical left policies that created this calamity, in particular with immigration, crime, and inflation. On day one, I signed an executive order directing every member of my cabinet to marshal all powers at their disposal to defeat inflation and reduce the cost of daily life. I imposed a federal hiring freeze, a federal regulation freeze, a foreign aid freeze, and I created the new Department of Government Efficiency. I terminated the ridiculous and incredibly wasteful Green New Deal. I call it the Green New Scam. Withdrew from the one-sided Paris Climate Accord and ended the insane and costly electric vehicle mandate. We're going to let people buy the car they want to buy. I declared a national energy emergency, and that's so important, national energy emergency to unlock the liquid gold under our feet and pave the way for rapid approvals of new energy infrastructure. The United States has the largest amount of oil and gas of any country on earth, and we're going to use it. Not only will this reduce the cost of virtually all goods and services, it'll make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and crypto. My administration has also begun the largest deregulation campaign in history, far exceeding even the record-setting efforts of my last term. In total, the Biden administration imposed $50,000 in additional regulatory costs on the average American household over the last 4 years. I have promised to eliminate 10 old regulations for every new regulation, which will soon put many thousands of dollars back in the pockets of American families. To further unleash our economy, our majorities in the House and Senate, which we also took along with the presidency, are going to pass the largest tax cut in American history, including massive tax cuts for workers and family, and big tax cuts for domestic producers and manufacturers. And we're working with the Democrats on getting an extension of the original Trump tax cuts, as you probably know, by just reading any paper. My message to every business in the world is very simple. Come make your product in America, and we will give you among the lowest taxes of any nation on earth. We're bringing them down very substantially, even from the original Trump tax cuts. But if you don't make your product in America, which is your prerogative, then very simply you will have to pay a tariff. differing amounts, but a tariff which will direct hundreds of billions of dollars and even trillions of dollars into our treasury to strengthen our economy and pay down debt. Under the Trump administration, there will be no better place on earth to create jobs, build factories, or grow a company than right here in the good old USA. Already Americans' economic, you can see this, I think, maybe even in your wonderful, wonderful room that you're all gathered together, so many of my friends, but Americans, the economic confidence is soaring like we haven't seen in many, many decades, maybe not at all. Upon my election, it was just announced that small business optimism skyrocketed by 41 points in a single month. That's the highest ever. There's never been anything like that. SoftBank has announced between a $100 and $200 billion investment in the U.S. economy because of the election result. And just 2 days ago, Oracle, SoftBank, and OpenAI announced a $500 billion investment in AI infrastructure. Other companies likewise have announced billions and billions and billions, adding up to trillions of investment in America, in the United States. And it's also reported today in the papers that Saudi Arabia will be investing at least $600 billion in America. But I'll be asking the Crown Prince, who's a fantastic guy, to round it out to around $1 trillion. I think they'll do that because we've been very good to them. And I'm also going to ask Saudi Arabia and OPEC to bring down the cost of oil. You got to bring it down, which, frankly, I'm surprised they didn't do before the election. That didn't show a lot of love by them not doing it. I was a little surprised by that. If the price came down, the Russia-Ukraine war would end immediately. Right now, the price is high enough that that war will continue. You got to bring down the oil price. You got to end that war. They should have done it long ago. They're very responsible, actually, to a certain extent for what's taking place. Millions of lives are being lost. With oil prices going down, I'll demand that interest rates drop immediately, and likewise, they should be dropping all over the world. Interest rates should follow us. All over, the progress that you're seeing is happening because of our historic victory in a recent presidential election, one that has become quite well known throughout the world. I think a lot of things are happening to a lot of countries. They say that there's light shining all over the world since the election, and even countries that we aren't particularly friendly with are happy because they understand what there is a future and how great the future will be. Under our leadership, America is back and open for business. And this week, I'm also taking swift action to stop the invasion at our southern border. They allowed people to come in at levels that nobody's ever seen before. It was ridiculous. I decided and declared to do, and very, very importantly, a national emergency on our border, immediately halted all entry of illegal border crossers, of which there were many, and began promptly returning the illegal trespassers back to the place from which they came. That action, as you've probably seen, has already started very strongly. I've deployed active duty U.S. military and National Guard troops to the border to assist in repelling the invasion. It was really an invasion. We will not allow our territory to be violated. After 4 long years, the United States is strong and sovereign and a beautiful nation once again. It's a strong, sovereign nation. In addition, I'm pleased to report that America is also a free nation once again. On day one, I signed an executive order to stop all government censorship. No longer will our government label the speech of our own citizens as misinformation or disinformation, which are the favorite words of censors and those who wish to stop the free exchange of ideas and, frankly, progress. We have saved free speech in America, and we've saved it strongly. With another order this week, I also ended the weaponization of law enforcement against the American people and, frankly, against politicians, and restored the fair, equal, and impartial rule of law. My administration has taken action to abolish all discriminatory diversity, equity, and inclusion nonsense. And these are policies that were absolute nonsense throughout the government and the private sector. With the recent yet somewhat unexpected great Supreme Court decision just made, America will once again become a merit-based country. You have to hear that word, merit-based country. And I've made it official, an official policy of the United States, that there are only two genders, male and female. And we will have no men participating in women's sports, and transgender operations, which became the rage, will occur very rarely. Finally, as we restore common sense in America, we're moving quickly to bring back strength and peace and stability abroad. I'm also going to ask all NATO nations to increase defense spending to 5% of GDP, which is what it should have been years ago. It was only at 2%, and most nations didn't pay until I came along. I insisted that they pay, and they did, because the United States was really paying the difference at that time, and it was unfair to the United States. But many, many things have been unfair for many years to the United States. Before even taking office, my team negotiated a ceasefire agreement in the Middle East, which wouldn't have happened without us, as I think most of the people in the room know. Earlier this week, the hostages began to return to their families. They are returning, and it's a beautiful sight, and they'll be coming in more and more. They started coming back on Sunday. Our efforts to secure a peace settlement between Russia and Ukraine are now hopefully underway. It's so important to get that done. That is an absolute killing field. Millions of soldiers are being killed. Nobody's seen anything like it since World War II. They're laying dead all over the flat fields. It's a flat field
Fucking
farmland.
oil just
And
crashed
there's
out.
millions of Russians and millions of Ukrainians. Nobody's seen anything like it since World War II. It's time to end it. And here in America, we have big events coming up. Next year, we have the 250th anniversary of America's founding. I'm so honored to be president during that. That's been a big event. They've been talking about it for 10 years. We also have the World Cup. And I understand Gianni's in the room. Infantino, he was very instrumental in helping us get it. He's there with you someplace, I think. And I want to thank him for that. And then we have the Olympics coming up, which I was instrumental in getting also in my first term. And who would have known that by skipping a term, I would get the Olympics? I was upset. I said, you know, I got the Olympics to come and I won't be president. But it turned out through a stroke of luck, or whatever you might call it, that I'm going to be president during the World Cup and the Olympics and the 250th anniversary. So that's going to be three big events. And we've accomplished more in less than 4 days. We have really been working 4 days than other administrations have accomplished in 4 years. And we're just getting started. It's really an amazing thing to see, and the spirit and the light over our country has been incredible. Under the last administration, our nation has suffered greatly, but we're going to bring it back and make it greater, bigger, stronger, better than ever before. I want to thank everybody for being with you. I would have been there myself, except the inauguration was 2 days ago. I thought it might be a little bit quick to make it the first stop, but we'll get there one day. We hope to get there. But I do appreciate, I heard the audience is fantastic, and many of my friends are in the audience, and I will be taking questions now from some very distinguished people. Thank you all very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, for that very powerful speech. And I think you could hear the applause all the way from Davos to the White House. But next year it will be even better, because then you can get the applause here in Davos. So we wish you welcome to our village next year. We hope to see you.
Thank you very much.
So we also know, Mr. President, that you open up for interaction here. We have a great panel with some of the most distinguished business people in the world. Let me start with someone that you know really well, that I think is almost a neighbor of you in Florida. Mr. Steve Schwartzman, Chairman, CEO, and co-founder of Blackstone Group. So, Steve, floor is yours.
Well, Mr. President, I'm sure the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia will be really glad you gave this speech today. You've had the busiest 4 days that anybody can imagine, and congratulations for that. My question is about some of the things I've observed here at Davos. It's a terrific forum. I've met lots of people, as usual. I think I've been here 30 years. And a lot of the European business people have expressed enormous frustration with the regulatory regime in the EU, and they attribute slower growth rates here because of numerous factors, but especially because of regulations. And you've taken a completely different approach in this area. And if you could explain the theory of what you're doing, how you're going to do it, and what you expect the outcome to be, I'd appreciate it.
Well, thank you very much. And congratulations, Steve. You're a friend of mine, but on a great career. You have had an amazing career, and it continues. I just want to congratulate you. Very inspirational to a lot of people. I want to talk about the EU, because you mentioned specifically that I have also had a lot of friends and leaders of countries. I've gotten to know them all my first term and a little bit during this period of 4 years, and know them well, like them a lot, but they're very frustrated because of the time everything seems to take to get approved, environmental impact statements for things that you shouldn't even have to do that, and many, many other ways that it takes. And I'm going to give you a quick little example. In the private life, my beautiful private life, before I had all these things happening, the world is a little different. I had a nice, simple life. You knew that. But when I had that simple life, I did projects. And I had a big project in Ireland. And it had to get approval on something that would have made it even better. And I got the approval from Ireland in a period of a week. And it was a very, very efficient, good approval. And they informed me, though, the problem is you're going to have to get it from the EU, and we think that'll take 5 to 6 years. And they said, you have to be kidding. And this was before politics. And I said, wait a minute, it's not that important. I don't want to go 5 or 6 years, but it would have been a big investment. It would have been nice, and it would have been good for the project. And I sent the people to the EU to see if they could speed it up, and basically it was a 5 or 6 year wait just to get a simple approval that Ireland gave me in a period of literally not much more than a week. And I realized right then, that was the first time I really was involved with the EU, but I realized right then that's a problem, and I didn't even bother applying to do it. Or if I did, I pulled it very quickly. I have to be very accurate because I don't want to be criticized. He did apply, actually. No, I want to be very accurate. So I don't think I did, but if I did, I pulled it very quickly. It was just something you couldn't wait 5 years or 6 years to get an approval. So a lot of, in a very big business sense, a lot of people are claiming that's the problem. From the standpoint of America, the EU treats us very, very unfairly, very badly. They have a large tax that we know about, and a VAT tax, and it's a very substantial one. They don't take essentially don't take our farm products, and they don't take our cars, yet they send cars to us by the millions. They put tariffs on things that we want to do, like, for instance, I think they actually, in terms of, these are non-economic or non-monetary tariffs, and those are very bad, and they make it very difficult to bring products into Europe, and yet they expect to be selling, and they do sell their products in the United States. So we have, hundreds of billions of dollars of deficits with the EU, and nobody's happy with it, and we're going to do something about it, but nobody's happy with it. So I think the EU has to speed up their process. Friends of mine that are in some of the nations within the EU, great people, they want to be able to compete better, and you can't compete when you can't go through the approval process fast. There's no reason why it can't go faster. So, I'm trying to be constructive because I love Europe. I love the countries of Europe, but the process is a very cumbersome one, and they do treat the United States of America very, very unfairly with the VAT taxes and all of the other taxes they impose. One other, just to finish up, I got a call from the head of a major airline, one of the biggest airlines in the world, and he said, "Sir, could you help us? What? Landing in Europe is brutal. They charge us fees for everything, and it's so unfair." I said, "How does it compare to China?" He said, it's much worse. And the other thing, as you know, they took court cases with Apple, and they supposedly won a case that most people didn't think was much of a case. They won 15 or 16 billion from Apple. They won billions from Google. I think they're after Facebook for billions and billions. These are American companies, whether you like them or not. They're American companies, and they shouldn't be doing that. And that's, as far as I'm concerned, it's a form of taxation. So we have some very big complaints with the EU. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We'll now go to one of your friends in the EU, Patrick Pouyanné. He's the chairman and CEO of Total Energies. I guess you have a question ready, Patrick, for the president.
Mr. President, as we understand, energy is at the top of your agenda, and it's an honor for me to represent the energy industry tonight. In this panel, Total Energies is indeed the fourth largest oil and gas and electricity company in the world. I will not ask you a question about the oil price. It's quite clear what you expect from us. I will go to gas more. And our company is the largest #1 exporter LNG from the US company. We are a strong contributor to, and we invest in a mammoth LNG projects in Texas, $20 billion. It's far from 200, but it's $20 billion. And we contribute with that to security of supply to Europe as we export this LNG to Europe. Some experts fear that if there are too many projects developed in the US on LNG, this could have an inflationary impact on the US domestic gas price. And they recommend a pause on these projects. I would ask you the following question. What are your views about such a pause on investments on LNG in the US? What would happen if you would observe an increased domestic gas price because of these exports? And final question, which is important for Europe, would you agree to guarantee security of supply of US LNG to Europe?
Well, on the last part of your question, yes, I would. I would make sure that you get it. If we make a deal, we make a deal, you'll get it. Because a lot of people do have that problem. They make a deal and then it can't get supplied because of war-type problems and other problems. So we would absolutely do that. LNG is very interesting because when I took office for the first term, one of the first things I looked at was there were two very massive plants in Louisiana, a state that has been very good to me, won it by many, many points. And I felt strongly indebted to it, actually. And they said there are two plants that have been under environmental consideration for more than 10 years. And they were costing, as you say, you know how expensive those plants are, but they were costing like 12 billion and I think 14 or 15 billion, but they couldn't get their permits. They were in review for years, many, many years, like a decade or more. And I said, so ridiculous. I know so much about that because in the construction industry, I had to go through it too, but I got good at it after a while. But I saw the projects, and you're talking about a total investment of 25 to $30 billion, and it looked like it was going to end. They couldn't get their permits, and I got them done in less than a week. It was done, completed. In fact, when they called them to announce that it was done, the countries, largely countries, Japan was involved and another country and some very big investors, they couldn't believe it. They actually couldn't believe it. And I said, just do yourself one favor. Don't pay any consultants, because the only one that got it done was me. I got it done because it was the right thing to do for the U.S. and for the world, but the consultants had nothing to do with it. You know, the consultants go in and they say, give us millions of dollars because Trump did it nobody called me about it. I just heard it was a problem for years. And I got it done because it was the right thing to do for the U.S. and the right thing to do for beyond. It had to do with energy, very important. So I think it's very important. I think I disagree with one. I think the more that you do, the lower the price is going to go. And what I'd like to see is rapid approvals. We're going to give very rapid approvals in the United States, like with the AI plants, talking to many people want to build them. That's going to be a very big thing. We're going to build electric generating facilities. They are going to build. I'm going to get them the approval. Under emergency declaration, I can get the approvals done myself without having to go through years of waiting. And the big problem is we need double the energy we currently have in the United States. Can you imagine? For AI to really be as big as we want to have it, because it's it'll be very competitive with China and others. So I'm going to give emergency declarations so that they can start building them almost immediately. And I think it was largely my idea because nobody thought this was possible. It wasn't that they were not smart, because they're the smartest. But I told them that what I want you to do is build your electric generating plant right next to your plant as a separate building, connected. And they said, wow, you're kidding. And I said, no, I'm not kidding. You don't have to hook into the grid, which is old and, could be taken out. If it's taken out, they wouldn't have any way to get any electricity. So we are going to allow them to go on a very rapid basis to build their plant, build the electric generating plant. They can fuel it with anything they want, and they may have coal as a backup, good, clean coal, If there were a problem with a pipe coming in, as an example, you're going with gas, oil or gas, and a pipe gets blown up or for some reason doesn't work, there are some companies in the U.S. that have coal sitting right by the plant so that if there's an emergency, they can go to that short-term basis and use our very clean coal. So that's something else that a lot of people didn't even know about, but nothing can destroy coal, not the weather, not a bomb, nothing. It might make it a little smaller, might make it a little different shape, but coal is very strong as a backup. It's a great backup to have that facility, and it wouldn't cost much more money. And we have more coal than anybody. We also have more oil and gas than anybody. So we're going to make it so that the plants will have their own electric generating facilities attached right to their plant. They don't have to worry about a utility. They don't have to worry about anything. And we're going to get very rapid approvals.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. President. We'll now go to another CEO that you know very well, Brian Moynihan, the CEO and Chair of Bank of America.
Good afternoon, Mr. President, and congratulations, and obviously an eventful week for you and your family. If you remember 5 years ago, you came here and we walked among 150 CEOs from all over the world, and you engaged with them about your policies and your procedures. This year, you're not here, and yet this week was eventful from the orders that you mentioned earlier, literally a wave of orders coming out on immigration, on trade, and many other matters. And so, as a representative of the United States here, we got a lot of questions about what does all this mean and how would the president square this with his clear focus on growth, prosperity, market growth, stock market growth, a good bond market, and bringing down prices. So how do you think about the impact of all these orders and how fast they come out, and how you're going to balance them with that scorecard of being successful in both continuing GDP growth, bringing down inflation, and also having a good stock price appreciation for the American citizen?
Well, I think it's going to actually bring down inflation. It's going to bring up jobs. We're going to have a lot of jobs. We're going to have a lot of companies moving in. Brian, we're at 21%. It was at 40%, and I got it down to 21%, the corporate tax. And it was actually, if you look at state and city, it was in many cases much higher than 40%. I got it down to 21%. And now we're going to bring it down from 21 to 15% if, there's a big if you make your product in the U.S. So we're going to have the lowest, just about the lowest rate. It'll be, the 21 is on the low side worldwide. The 15 is about as low as it gets. And by far the lowest of a large country, a large, rich, powerful country, by far, not even a contest. So we're going to bring it down to 15% if you make your product in the USA. So that's going to create a a tremendous buzz. We're also probably going back to the 1-year deduction where we deduct, we did that originally, and that was amazing what the impact that had, the 1-year deduction, which built up over a period of time, and then it expires. But we're going to go back to that when we do the renewal of the Trump tax plan. We have to get Democrats to approve it. But, if the Democrats didn't approve it, I don't know how they can survive with about a 45% tax increase, because that's what it would be. And so I think they're going to do. We've been working along with them pretty well. I think it's very hard for a political group to say, let's charge people 45% more. So I think we're in good shape. But we're actually doing a reduction for business and small businesses where you're going to bring it down to 15%, which is really something. And by the way, speaking of you, and you've done a fantastic job, but I hope you start opening your bank to conservatives, because many conservatives complained that the banks are not allowing them to do business within the bank, and that included a place called Bank of America. They don't take conservative business, and I don't know if the regulators mandated that because of Biden or what, but you and Jamie and everybody, I hope you're going to open your banks to conservatives, because what you're doing is wrong.
Mr. President, I'll say that your friend Gianni said hello, told me to tell you hello, and we look forward to sponsoring the World Cup when it comes, both this summer for the club and next year. So thank you for getting that for the United States.
Thank you very much, Brian.
Thank you, Mr. President. We'll now go to Anna Butin. She's the executive chairman of Banco Santander, one of the big European banks, and also in the U.S. So, Anna.
Mr. President, congratulations on a historic victory. I believe you don't know me as well as my fellow panelists, so a few words. Santander is one of the largest banks in the world by number of customers, 170 million. That's more than my friend Brian or my friend Jamie have. And those...
They fixed the regulation.
That's coming, that's coming.
That was cheeky.
We're a big investor in the United States. We have many million customers, 12,000 employees. We're one of the largest auto lenders. And we recently launched a fully digital bank called Open Bank. We strongly believe banks have a pivotal role in the economy, and we can accelerate growth and help many more customers. That's what we're doing in the United States. So, as Brian pointed out, we very much welcome your focus on deregulation and reducing bureaucracy. So my question is, what are your priorities in this regard, and how fast is this going to happen? Thank you very much.
Looks like NQ's going to break the
going
reins
to,
soon.
thank you, and congratulations. I know very much about your bank, and you've done a fantastic job. Congratulations. We are going to move very quickly. We've moved very quickly. We've done things in the last 3 days that nobody thought were possible to do in years. And it's all taking effect. It's going to have a huge impact on the economy, a huge positive impact. Money was being wasted on crazy things. I mean, the Green New Deal was such a total disgrace, how that was perpetrated. And it was conceived of by people that were average students, less than average students, I might add, and never even took a course in energy or the environment. It was just a game. Remember, the world was going to end in 12 years. Remember that? Well, the 12 years has come and gone. It was going to end. It was going to all foam into earth. But, the time has come. These people, and they really scared the Democrats large. I can't say the Republicans. The Republicans maybe could have fought harder to stop it, but it's been a tremendous waste of money. During my 4 years, we had the cleanest air, we had the cleanest water, and yet we had the most productive economy in the history of our country. We had the most productive economy until COVID came. We had the most productive in the history of our country by far, and actually, you could look worldwide. We were beating everybody from China to everybody else. So, and we think we really now, with what we have learned and all of the other things that have taken place, we think we can even far surpass that, actually far surpass it. But one thing we're going to be demanding is we're going to be demanding respect from other nations. Canada, we have a tremendous deficit with Canada. We're not going to have that anymore. We can't do it. I don't know if it's good for them. As you probably know, I say you can always become a state. And if you're a state, we won't have a deficit. We won't have to tariff you, et cetera, et cetera. But Canada has been very tough to deal with over the years. And it's not fair that we should have a $200 billion or $250 billion deficit. We don't need them to make our cars, and they make a lot of them. We don't need their lumber because we have our own forests, et cetera, et cetera. We don't need their oil and gas. We have more than anybody. So, just as an example, with Mexico, we're dealing with Mexico, I think, very well. And we're just, we just want to be treated fairly with other nations because there's hardly a nation.
A damn good gold trade
in
right
the
here.
world. And I blame this on us, and I blame it on politicians that
Sure is. Sure
for some
is.
reason,
That was a great one.
probably mostly it's stupidity, but you could also say other reasons, but mostly stupidity. They've allowed other nations to take advantage of the U.S., and we can't allow that to happen anymore. We have debt. It's a very small debt when you compare it to the value of the assets that we have, but we don't want to do that. We want to just have debt be obliterated, and we'll be able to do that fairly rapidly. And a lot of good things are going to happen. And honestly, good things are going to happen for the world, and good things are going to happen for the people that are
my
dealing with us.
Replicanto set, but
allies and beyond allies.
forgot. It's so
One
much
thing
you gotta
very
do with
important, I
Replicanto
really
when
would
you
like
go
to be
between the
able
charts
to
and
meet with
have to
President
change it
Putin
over,
soon
and I
and get that
didn't.
war
So
ended. And that's not from the
maybe next
standpoint
time.
of economy or anything else. It's from the standpoint of millions of lives are being wasted. Beautiful young people are being shot in the battlefield. The bullet, a very flat land, as I said, and the bullet goes, there's no hiding. And a bullet, the only thing going to stop the bullet is a human body. And you have to see, I've seen pictures
Man with that
of
first
what's
TP,
taken
though, I
place.
see.
It's a carnage, and we really have to stop that
They
war.
just
That
keep
war
doing
is
it to me.
horrible. And I'm not talking economy.
There
I'm
we
not
go.
talking economics.
TP1
I'm not
hit.
talking about natural resource. I'm just talking
Break
about
even on the runner.
there's
Let's
so
see what
many young
happens.
people being killed in this war, and that's not including the people that have been
Oh,
killed
I love to see
as
that.
the cities
Look at
are
that right
being,
there.
knocked down building by building. So
Yes. That's
we
some
really should
momentum push.
get that stopped. Likewise, in the Middle East,
All right,
I think
so
we've made a
Trump
lot of
shit
progress
is
in the Middle East,
obviously
and
not
I
doing
think that's
nothing to the
gonna
market right now. So
that's gonna
I'm
come
shutting
along
him
pretty
off.
well.
I'm sick of hearing it. And yeah, we got ourselves the NQ just crossed the opening range finally. So we're gonna wait on a retrace on that. I gotta set an alert for that to happen. So let me go to NQ right here. Go to 5 minutes. NQ is pumping. Everything's pumping, and we're gonna go right here. Turns green. NQ once per close. Create. We'll go back to our gold trade here and look at it. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. TP1 was already smashed. And yeah. Oops, about to hit TP2. Here we go. Let's get that TP2 in there. Lock that price. Lock that in. Lock that in right there. Come on. Get it, get it, get it. I'm going to put my stop underneath this 5-minute candle. Make sure we get something out of this in case it does whipsaw back. Possibly could. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it under this candle right here. Lock that in.
Stop filled.
Yep. All right, that's cool. I don't care. That was $947 gold trade right there. Now if we could just get fucking Bitcoin to play ball.
Right.
Because it's got me in $700 in drawdown. But I think this is a pump and dump. Trump did talk about crypto, but he didn't. It didn't really sound like it was anything spectacular. Gold. Gold, gold, gold. Gold just hit. Gold just paid the bill. Let's go. Come on. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. You get on the gold trade? I hope you did.
I was in it.
Hell
I was
yeah.
in it.
Hell yeah. Fuck, I might as well just call that a day. Been doing this shit since 3 in the morning.
Right. Ah, shoot. I'm all for it.
Did you were you on minis there or micros?
I was on micros on that one. I was on micros. I got to change all of them over because I have them on the tabs.
Yeah.
And the only one I had changed was the NQ. So, yeah. Because crude is what? Is that one
CO or
$10 a point?
yep.
No,
Yep.
$10 a point?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Pretty sure it is. Let me look. I'll tell you right now.
Yeah, I need to go ahead. That's
Yeah,
what
it
I'm gonna do.
is.
I'm gonna get my stuff situated. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff situated. So that's actually good, to call it a day. It's been a great day. Great morning. So
Yeah, except
then I can
my little fumble on Nasdaq.
yeah, I didn't get to make it in that trade. I wasn't in that
Lucky
one. So
you.
yeah, I missed that one. But I did get I did get this one. And then I was shoot, I didn't
Oh
realize my
no.
doggone
Shit.
thing was out. But yeah.
Oh, this is my I need to go. What am I doing? Changing this okay, here we go. We're starting to get some bearish movement here on Bitcoin here. Come on down, Bitcoin. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that 4-hour candle. It's just getting shut down. Look at that. I hope it stays that way. Sorry. Thanks, Anna. It was slow. I didn't think it was gonna be so slow. Well, I mean, not really. It wasn't that slow. Let's look at how long that trade took. Pull up trade of 8 right here. Look at this report. Let's see here. Today, how long did that trade take? 20 minutes. $1,000 in 20 minutes. Pretty damn good. What you think? There it is right there.
Shoot, that's amazing.
20 minutes.
Pretty good. Pretty good. hmm Oh, yeah, that's awesome.
Wait. Yep. Well, that'll be a one and done on them accounts right there. That was on 3. But I'm wanting this Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin's coming down. Look at that right there. I hope that turns into a 4-hour bearish order block, not a. It could be a rally based rally, and that would suck ass. But nah, we want a rally based drop right here. What we want on this, and then this red right here will turn into green real fast. Yes, yes, yes. Guess I can do this right quick. We'll just log out of this. Go over here to this. Paper trade, no. There's the actual trade right there. $99, $75K, $300K. Huh? Oh, yeah. Hmm. Taz is posting his yeah, there's blue skies on sale. Post the link, man. Post the link. What the hell?
Oh, blue skies on sale.
They're having a sale right now and they're 75. Thing. I'm gonna post the link underneath it. Here you go. Boom. Post the link right here. Check this out, people. $100 for 300K account. Oh shit! I just put the link in the chat to get to it. There it is. Linky link. Taz, why are you posting your username in a damn chat room, man? What are you trying to give away your account? Come on, Mr. Bitcoin. Come back on down. What you doing, Bitcoin? Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Dun, dun, dun. That was a good close on gold trail right there because this thing is
Yeah, well,
decided to retrace pretty hard right here. Yeah, that was a good trail there. Fuck that. NQ is not retraced back yet. You're looking for ES is pushed out. Dow Jones is pushed out. Oil is tanking. And you think oil would go up after he announced that he's gotten rid of this electric car mandate shit? But you want to know what I want to hear him say he's getting rid of? Is the tracking shit that is forced to be installed, or no, the kill switch. Biden signed a law into I think it's 25 or 26 that all new cars have a remote kill switch that the government can shut your fucking car down.
oh wow.
I'm like, well, do what? Yeah, they have access to it, and hell no, you having you ain't shutting. I'll go buy me a go get me an old clunker. You ain't gonna shut my car down. I'll buy me an old Oldsmobile. You know what I'm saying? Like them boxed up Oldsmobiles, the old school
Mhm.
Oldsmobiles.
Yeah.
Or you know what? I'll go a little bit better. I'll go get me an old caddy, carbureted.
That is funny.
Yeah. NQ is like the 15-minute candle on NQ right now is getting squeezed. It's big time. But I figured they would have just pumped the shit out of oil because they're about to make some money on some oil. Look
Mm-hmm.
at this 15-minute candle on NQ right now.
Man.
Look at all these candles, man. They're all wick to hell the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
Straight across. Wick to hell. But look at overnight. Yeah, I'm about done with US. About to start trading. 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time when it trends.
Right.
As you get
Mm-hmm.
one of them accounts, that 300K looks pretty good for $100. And there's no activation fees at Blue Sky, so it's $100. That's it, $100 funded. Yeah, I don't. Is he ignoring me? He's probably at work. Got headphones in his ears.
Mm-hmm.
That deal ends tomorrow at 23:59 Eastern Standard Time, 24th. We're fighting Bitcoin, babe. Look at this shit. Look at this candle. This 4-hour candle. They're fighting it. Look at this 4-hour candle. This thing is like straight up doji. Just compressed to all living hell. Up, down, up, down, up, down. What time? 8, yep, 8 a.m. Ching, ching, ching. Hopefully it just drops. I'm just waiting for it to drop right here. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, I gotta turn that off right here. Get the audio on the stream right again. No, don't push. Drop.
In the chaos we see clear. Risk and reward, the endless dance. Fortune favors those who chance.
My dog is so spoiled. They're dogs. Dogs. I made them eggs and bacon and toast and peaches.
Oh Lord.
This morning.
Yeah, that's spoiled. That's spoiled.
Come on, Bitcoin. Okay, and NQ's retracing. Maybe we should get into another one. If this thing plays out in the next 20 minutes, I'll do it. Other than that, I'm fucking done.
I've worked his hands out in the sun.
I'm gonna throw it on this swing trade account real quick and
Oh
get
yeah.
this damn drawdown kicked out. That's what I did
Yeah,
yesterday.
that would be
When
good.
we hit that stop loss on the other one, it was like $700.
Mhm.
I scalped 700 right back into it.
Oh, okay.
I was like, I ain't living with that. No. Then if it's in profit, I'll trade copy our scalps into that too. If the swing account's in profit, I'll use that as a hedge to scalp.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you just gotta don't over leverage it.
Mm-hmm.
That'll stand the test of time. No more just working to get by. I found a way to
Just little tricks to swing trading. I used to do that shit all the time. I would I'd get into a swing trade on a forex, and then I would scalp something else, but I would use that as a hedge against any losses on the scalps.
Let's see. Yeah, that one.
I love Replicano, man. You just click a couple buttons, you can swap trade this account with this account or that account. You know what I'm saying? Like you can.
I just have to remember to, change the instrument. That's why
Yeah,
sometimes I be forgetting.
that's got me a couple times. But it looks like Bitcoin is going in our favor here. Got an hour left on this candle. 2 hours left on this candle. But let's see. See what it does.
From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I learn the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain.
Put this NQ. This retracement coming down here.
I'm trading the future for my family. So rose, shifts complete, but I'm not done. I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building the life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working till the sun goes down. I'm paving the road, I'm turning around. From hands in the dirt to hands on the screen, building the life where we
swap over to Renko here. Go. Taz. Taz. Why can't
you hear me?
you? Oh, now I can.
Hey, my shit was all fucked up.
Why you copy pasting my username in the chat, man?
That was well, I thought I copied the picture, but I did not.
What'd you copy?
When I was trying to send that picture of the discount, I thought I copied it, but
you didn't hear what I said. I said, "Why'd you post my username in the chat? How'd you get my username, man?"
my bad, bro. My bad. Magic.
$99 for 300K. That's a pretty good fucking deal.
It's pretty good, and it's a static.
Yeah, static drawdown too.
Yeah.
End of day static drawdown with no activation fees for 300K for $99. Wow.
Yeah.
And that ends.
It's
tomorrow.
normally at $500 account.
$500?
I think so.
Jesus.
I'm showing you the ropes, you're part of my team.
Man, I might go get one real quick just to have it.
Together we'll ride when fortunes unfold. Trust the process, trust your grind.
Okay, Bitcoin is coming down. Yes. Oh, wait. No, it's about the same. Thought I saw this get into 300, so I was like, hell yeah. NQ is retracing right now. But is it going to break it back out? When it's done? Gold has broken out, and gold has not retraced yet. Here it is right here. Look at that. There's your retracement happening right now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it still hasn't turned red on the beacon line on the 5 minutes. So this thing has just been straight up.
You learn the grind until the breakout's yours to find. Learn the rules, break the mold.
It's crazy, crazy.
Trust the process, trust your grind. The breakout's where we'll redefine. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategy.
Prezi Prez. What is that?
Drawing near. I blaze the trail now, take my hand. Let's make our mark.
Prezi Prez.
I'm the breakout hunter, guiding your way.
Thank you.
Every single day, every lesson learned is a step you take toward a life you control.
What are you doing, NQ?
No more fears, just you in the market, no puppeteers. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail now, take my hand. Let's make our mark.
Is he gonna get into a trend or what?
Guiding your way to live on your terms every single day. Together we rise, the path is set. You'll never look back, no room for regret. The breakout's yours, now lead the way.
Oh, it's lunchtime. It ain't gonna do shit. Not right now. I'll leave this stream running on Google on this Bitcoin trade here, just so I can come back and look at it. But I'm gonna go make some lunch.
Wake up at dawn, I'm ready to play. Charts are alive, it's another trade day. Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for the breakout. You know what I mean? I've spent my time, I've paid my dues. Now I catch those moves, no time to lose. I'm the breakout hunter, in the zone.
Sorry.
Those profits, taking them home. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run. Catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. I'm in control, I'm the master. Price action's my game, I don't miss. Breakout solid, feel that bliss. I'm the breakout hunter, on the rise. Stacking those wins, no compromise. High volume spikes, prices on the go. Levels are breaking, I'm in the flow. Support and resistance, I play it right. Breakouts coming, this is my fight. I ride the trend, no fear, no doubt. Know when to enter, when to get out. From the futures to stocks, I'm locked in tight. When I catch a breakout, it's pure delight. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run. Catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run. Catching those breakouts, trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. Breakout hunter, watch me run. Catching those breakouts, trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. Wake up at dawn, I'm ready to play. Charts are alive, it's another trade day. Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for that breakout, you know what I mean. Before the dawn breaks open, I'm glued to that screen. Tickers flashing, neon dreams in shades of red and green. My heart's in lockstep with the market's rise and fall. I've got orders standing by, waiting for the call. The charts are whispering patterns only I can discern. Candlesticks tell a story of profit and return. Will this contract take me higher? Will the bulls charge ahead? Or will I bail too late when the bears strike with dread? I'm day trading the futures, surfing waves on the line, riding margins of moments and fractions of time. With every tick of the clock, I'm leaning in for the score. Yeah, I'm chasing that lightning strike, hungry for more. From the S&P to the grains to the oils in the sea, I'm a lone wolf at the terminal, daring fate to agree. A scalper's heart beating fast, two eyes fixed on the prize. Breathing in adrenaline, my focus never dies. I'm searching through liquidity, looking for a break, building up positions that the timid won't take. Stop loss at the ready, I've got my guard in place, because in this battlefield you never know what you'll face. I'm day trading the futures, dancing on a wire, hedging faith against fear, fueled by inner fire. Just one good run from glory, but so close to despair. In that razor's edge arena, I'm a warrior aware. Every second can shape my fortune, can carve out my day. A symphony of data points guides the price I'll pay. Win or lose, I'm still here, strategy in hand, because tomorrow's another sunrise, another chance to stand. I'm day trading the futures, feeling each ebb and flow. I'll ride the wave of volatility wherever they go. Through the chaos and the calm, I'm forging my way, making faith from the patterns on my screen today. The clock may close the session, but the story never ends. In this world of futures trading, I find both foes and friends. I'll be back before the dawn, full of spirit and in the shadows of the city, where the lights don't shine, little hearts are dreaming, reaching for the sky. Mama works the midnight shift, Papa's gone away. Children hold their hopes tight, praying for a better day. Whispers in the alleyways, stories left untold, but within their eyes a fire starts to unfold. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make, break the chains for your future's sake. Found a video on YouTube, a voice so clear and bright. Breakout Hunter showed them how to navigate the night. Watched every lesson, soaked up every word. In the world of trading, their freedom was stirred. Dreams once locked in silence, now they loudly sing, building bridges to tomorrow, forging everything. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make, break the chains for your future's sake. Now they stand on higher ground, lifting others too, sharing all the knowledge, showing what to do. From the screens to shining path, spreading hope and light, breaking every chain together, turning dark to bright. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make, break the chains for your future's sake. Hand in hand they walk the way, hearts forever free, breaking all the chains that once held their destiny. In unity they rise, a new dawn's gentle rays. Impoverished no more, they found their brighter days.
No, I'm just looking, but I think NQ's about to go green on 5. Looks like it anyways.
Started in the red, now I'm chasing green. Day by day, I'm living the dream. Charts don't lie, they show the truth. Futures market made me bulletproof. They called it a gamble, they said I'd fall, but I saw my future through a glowing wall. Candles burn bright, the patterns speak. Every tick is a chance to climb's not weak. Late nights.
Oh, this just wasted my time for right now. I could have kept doing what I was doing. I saw it start turning. But it's not really yet.
Turn dust into gold, traded night into day.
told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins. Oh, I watched the ticks rise, I felt the pain, but I kept my cool through loss and gain. Risk defined, I played it smart. Each move I make is a work of art. No crystal ball, just logic and skill. I'm bending the market to match my will. The screen's my canvas, the trend's my muse. I'm the future in motion, I never lose. Every line's a lesson, every chart's a clue. I've got the blueprint, I know what to do. The past was a struggle, but now it's clear. I'm chasing the future, I'm shifting the gear. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins. I've felt the fear, I've seen the storm, but pressure's the fire where diamonds are born. The charts keep moving, the ticks don't rest. In the game of futures, I'm passing the test. Win or lose, I keep my stride. The market's my battleground, I'm alive. Every contract signed, every profit gained. It's all about the hustle, no love for the chain. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day. Riding the waves, I'm breaking the mold. This market's my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie. I rose from the bottom, now I'm touching the sky. Risk and reward, it's all in the spin. Crown me the trader, the market king wins. I started with nothing, just a vision and grit. Now I run the market, I never quit. From rags to riches, I've earned my throne in the world.
Yeah, an almanac anthem for traders. I'm the breakout hunter, paving my own way, building up my strategies of games to play. I study the charts, I write the code. With every trade I take, I lighten the load. Indicators flash, I'm ahead of the curve. Helping others rise, that's the passion I serve. Financial freedom, it's not just a dream. I'm showing you the ropes, you're part of my team. Learn the rules, break the mold. Together we'll ride when fortunes unfold. Trust the process, trust your grind. The breakout's where we'll redefine. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail, now take my hand. Let's make our mark across this land. I'm the breakout hunter, guiding your way to live on your terms every single day. I've been where you are, searching for a spark. Now I light the way when the markets are dark. From candles to Renko, from VDOP to MA, I'm showing how to profit and play. We don't follow the herd, we write our own script. We master the trends and let them drift. Step by step, you'll learn the grind, until the breakout's yours to find. Learn the rules, break the mold. Together we'll ride when fortunes unfold. Trust the process, trust your grind. The breakout's where we'll redefine. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail, now take my hand. Let's make our mark across this land. I'm the breakout hunter. hunter, guiding your way to live on your terms every single day. Every lesson learned is a step you take toward a life you control. The future you'll make, no more 9 to 5, no more fears, just you in the market, no puppeteers. I'm the breakout hunter, teaching you the game, showing you the moves to rise and claim. With strategies tight and visions clear, financial freedom's drawing near. I blaze the trail, now take my hand. Let's make our mark across this land. I'm the breakout hunter, guiding your way to live on your terms every single day. Together we rise, the path is set. You'll never look back, no room for regret. The breakout's yours, now lead the way. We're breaking barriers every day.
In the shadows of the city, where the lights don't shine, little hearts are dreaming, reaching for the sky. Mama works the midnight shift, Papa's gone away. Children hold their hopes tight, praying for a better day. Whispers in the alleyways, stories left untold, but within their eyes a fire starts to unfold. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make, break the chains for your future's sake. Found a video on YouTube, a voice so clear and
Long on gold again.
showed them how to navigate the night. Watched every lesson, soaked up every word. In the world of trading, their freedom was stirred. Dreams once locked in silence, now they loudly sing. Building bridges to tomorrow, forging everything. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make, break the chains for your future's sake. Now they stand on higher ground, lifting others too, sharing all the knowledge, showing what to do. From the screens to shining path, spreading hope and light, breaking every chain together, turning dark to bright. Break the chains, let your spirit soar. Rise above the struggle, find what you're fighting for. With every step you take, every move you make, break the chains for your future's sake. Hand in hand they walk the way, hearts forever free, breaking all the chains that once held their destiny. In unity they rise, a new dawn's gentle rays. Impoverished no more, they found their brighter days.
I've worked his hands out in the sun, chasing the clock till the day is done. Sweat on my brow, dirt on my face, but I knew deep down I need a change of pace. Trading hours for dollars, it wasn't enough. Life was a grind and the work was tough, but I found a way, learned the market's flow. With every candle my future starts to grow. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key, trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I've learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building building the life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working to get by. I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained so they can rise above the strain. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key, trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building the path, the life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I've learned the skills to make it.
Break even on this.
I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done.
Already closed it on the other account, but this is the one that's in drawdown on the Bitcoin. I'm just trying to negate that drawdown real quick. It's gonna fucking come get me. I'm not gonna let this trade go on the drawdown.
To set me free, now I'm building the path, a life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I'll learn the skills to make a new start. With every trade, I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I'll pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. So blows, shifts complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building the life that'll
Putting a stop underneath this candle right here.
From hands in the dirt to hands on the screen, building a life where we live the dream.
Putting it under this right here.
Started in the red, now I'm chasing green. Day by day, I'm living the dream. Charts don't lie, they show the truth. Futures market made me bulletproof. They called it a gamble, they said I'd fall, but I saw my future through a glowing wall. Candles burn bright, the patterns speak. Every tick is a chance to climb's not weak. Late nights grinding, no time to lose. Betting on myself, I'm paying my dues.
That's just a little scalpy to try to clear out some of this drawdown in this Bitcoin trade, you know what I'm saying?
I charted my way, turned dust into gold, traded night into day.
Yeah, because there's 600 in drawdown. Just keep inching that out. You know what I mean? Our P&L for the day is 362 on this, even with this drawdown. It's starting to look like a head and shoulders. Look at this on the 2 minute on the chart. Look at that right there. That's perfect. Right. Oh yeah, I like it. Coming down. Get some of that or what?
Kept my cool through loss and gain. Risk defined, I played it smart. Each move I make is a work of art. No crystal ball, just logic and skill. I'm bending the market to match my will. The screen's my canvas, the trend's my muse. I'm the future in motion, I never lose. Every line's a lesson, every chart's a clue. I've got the
just trying to negate it a little bit, you know?
I'm chasing the future, I'm shifting the gear. From rags to riches, I charted my way. Turned dust into gold, traded night into day.
Look at this NQ 4-hour candle.
This market, my kingdom, my story is told. From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie.
Like it looks like NQ is just gonna crash, right? Don't it? Like, look at this. Like, that is wicked to hell. But it could just be bigger retracement. I mean, I'm waiting on a green. On the green.
Futures, I'm passing the test. Win or lose, I keep my stride. The market's my back.
But I don't know, man. See if it gets into the 50% or not of the Where's my of the opening range? If it respects 50%, then it's probably good. There's a line there for that. There it is right there.
From rags to riches, the numbers don't lie.
I mean, I was bearish, remember? I mean, here's my take profit, 815. I was trying to get to it all night. Here it comes. I mean, this looks like it's about to drop the bottom out.
The market king wins. I started with nothing, just a vision and grit. Now I run the market, I never quit. From rags to riches, I earned my throne in the world.
QQ is dropping too. Big, good amount.
I walk the charts, my eyes on the prize.
Yeah, this is worth the risk, man. I'm selling this.
I sharpen my skill. I make my own way, climb every hill. I built the tools, the strategy's tight. And now I'm here to share the light. Teaching the trade, showing the flow. Helping you grow so you can glow. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I walk the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path. For your financial freedom, no looking back. I've built the strategies brick by brick. Now I teach you how to make it click. From candlesticks to trends, from pullbacks to breaks. We'll ride the waves, no more mistakes. Step in the zone where knowledge flows. With every lesson learned, your confidence grows. No more guessing, no more fear. I'm right beside you, the way is clear. Every candle tells a story, every trend is a clue. I walk the path, now I'm guiding you. From highs to lows, we'll break through the noise. Together we'll trade, together we'll rise. I'm the breakout hunter carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout hunter, lighting the path. For your financial freedom, no looking back. You hold the power, you got the tools. Breaking out of the system, rewriting the rules.
No limits, no chains, no clock to wind. We're building a life one trade at a time. I'm the breakout hunter, carving the way, helping you find the freedom today. With charts in our hands, we'll take control. Together we're reaching every goal. Follow the signals, trust your skill. With every trade we climb the hill. I'm the breakout.
Come on, why does it always gotta be some fucking game with these motherfuckers?
Looking back, we're breaking the chains, we're building our fate. The breakout's here now, elevate. You've got the vision, you've got the drive. Let's step in the market, let's come alive. I wake up early, eyes on the screen, trading the charts, living the dream. I know the game, I felt the heat, wins and losses, but I don't retreat. Every tick is a battle, every trade a fight. I slay the markets from morning to night. Losses come, but I hold my ground. Learning the lessons, I turn it around. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins and losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I've seen red days, I've seen the dips, but I don't flinch, I don't lose grip. I study the moves, I master the flow. Even on down days, I know how to grow. Catching breakouts, reading the signs. No one controls me, the game is mine. I'm in the zone, I stick to my play. A warrior in the market, making my way. No fear in my mind, I take the fall. I rise even stronger, standing tall. Every setback's a step I take. I never stop, I make the break. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. Losses are lessons, they make me strong. Each one's a step towards where I belong. I keep on grinding, I stay in the fight. With every new dawn, I'm ready to strike. I slay the markets every single day. Wins or losses, I find my way. With eyes on the future, I press ahead. Never looking back, no fear or dread. I learn from the fall, I rise even fast. The market's a beast, but I'm built to last. I slay the markets, I don't turn away. Every loss is fuel for a brighter day. I keep on moving, no fear in my heart. Each day's a new chance, a brand new start. I slay the markets, nothing holds.
Dude, this shit is bearish as fuck, and it's doing this right now. What the fuck? What in the actual fuck? Like, where did this come from? Where did all of this volume just all of a sudden show up? And just like start wrecking me. Just scalped out money to negate this drawdown with fucking Bitcoin, and now I'm like right back at it. Should have just closed it the second it went and drawdown. You can't buy, you can't sell, you can't do anything. I should have just left instead I was leaving. Oh, here it comes. Watch. It's gonna dump. It's gonna dump right now. Watch. Bitcoin is still just going up for no fucking reason whatsoever. Everybody's like, "Oh, you should buy Bitcoin." Really? Okay. Should you have bought Bitcoin right here? Should you have bought it right here? Should you have bought it right there? How about right here? What about right here? Hindsight is so easy. But this shit is overbought as a motherfucker right now. This is. It's a Head and Shoulders that like just reversed on the drop of the Head and Shoulders. It's right here, look. There's no right here. Here's the shoulder, drops, and then it goes right back up real fast for no reason. Oh yeah, here it comes. Look at the crash.
Charts are alive, it's another trade day. Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for the breakout. You know what I mean? I've spent my time, I've paid my dues. Now I catch those moves, no time to lose. I'm the breakout hunter, in the zone, finding those profits, taking them home. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run, catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. I'm in control, I'm the master. Price action's my game, I don't miss. Breakout solid, feel that bliss. I'm the breakout hunter, on the rise, stacking those wins, no compromise. High volume spikes, prices on the go. Levels are breaking, I'm in the flow. Support and resistance, I play it right. Breakouts coming, this is my fight. I ride the train.
All right, well, I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna come on tomorrow at 5.
When I catch a breakout, it's pure delight. I'm the breakout.
And